Okay, so we've got to graph this piecewise function. So it says that f of x is equal to two different functions depending on the x interval. So we have the x interval where x is less than or equal to 0. So here's the x-axis. That interval starts here, right, and goes on this way. So that's where x is less than or equal to 0. Over that interval, right, over this part of the graph, we're going to graph the equation f of x equals x. F of x equals x, or y equals x. And that's just a line with a slope of 1. That's a line with a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 0. So that's this line here, right? Slope of 1, y-intercept of 0. And it's going to stop there because it's only to where x is less than or equal to 0. Notice it includes 0, so we're going to end it with a closed circle. After that, so when x is greater than 0, so that's this interval here, right? And continuing on, we're going to graph the equation f of x is equal to x plus 1, or y is equal to x plus 1, which is a line with a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 1. So it's starting up at 1 and moving forward. But again, it's only when x is greater than 0. So we can't plot this point here, right? Because it's not when x is greater than or equal to 0, it's greater than. So we put that open circle, and then we continue the graph with a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 1.